G'day guys, how are ya? I've just come down here to Market Beach again. It's pretty much the only place we can go while we're on lockdown. Just have a bit of a walk around and clear the head. And while I was down here, because there's not much wind, I'm gonna fly the drone and show you a few shots. So hang in there. This is a classic DJI Mini SE flight footage video. Uh-oh, the app has lost connection. My phone has lost connection. Okay, the immediate action in this case is to just hover, leave it be. You can return to home if you wish to, but for me, I'm going to force close the app, disconnect the phone, reconnect the phone, restart the app, and we've got connection. I mean, if it didn't reconnect, you've always got the option to press the return to home button on the controller, but in this case, it wasn't required. The connection restored, and I'm able to fly the drone back in. Well, we didn't quite make it to the top of the hill, but I want to fly the drone up, see if I can get a shot of this turbine up here. Sticks on, the old phone. Well, that's it, guys. I came down, flew the drone, burned 2 batteries. I got no more, so I have to go home to recharge. Never quite made it back up to Fort Orpo, but never mind, maybe next time. There's always another opportunity. Hey, if you want to check out any other drone videos I've made, you can do so right here. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.